progress updates. They've got all the curb going up on the Ruffled Grouse Lane in the bus parking lot. They've started putting in some of the transformer for the building. AEP set that. The sprinkler installation is continued. The roofing over the lower areas of the classroom wings and gym are complete. The auditorium roof will complete this week. The brick continues along the front of the school. The MEP rough-ins continue in the areas of the building. The football field retaining walls have started. The site conduit nearing completion. The sewer line installation nearing completion. In the upcoming work that they're working on, they've got the asphalt installation you'll see in the video in just a second. They are continuing the installation of curb and gutter. They're going to complete the sewer line installation, install the retaining walls of the football field, complete the exterior sheathing, complete the wood blocking on the exterior, complete the blue skin and spray foam insulation, and continue to install the roofing in that section. So there's a couple of pictures that Curtis and Tim have put together here to show you the digging of the footers for the visitor bleachers. They're starting to put those in. This is the bus parking lot area that they've got rough gravel in. Some of you that were there for the dedication ceremony yesterday saw that. It was very nice to have when all the vehicles were parking up there. This is area A of the east elevation to kind of show you a view from that section. You can see the brick, well, I'll show you again in a second. You can see the brick to the right side or the left side of it that's going up really nice on the gym area section hallway. There's area B's east elevation section. The area C and D east elevation. Area B's west elevation section, you can see what it looks like from that side on the back of the school area. The south elevation, and you can see all the insulation there on the back side of the gym area. The wood blocking for the casework is what you're seeing here in this photo. The drywall stocked and ready for installation on this one. They're getting ready to put all that up. This is the roof cover over the auditorium. The roof is installed on the gym there. You can see how it looks now that that part's finished. This was the cornerstone at the dedication ceremony yesterday from the Sandy Valley Lodge. Very nice ceremony that was held yesterday. That's going to go on the northeast corner of the building with our time capsule items on the inside. And then I'll show you a map of the progress. We can zoom in and show you some of those things. Let me go grab a mouse real quick. And the last time I think I had to do it from back here because the signal didn't reach as far. But this will kind of show you a little bit more in-depth what progress is there at the building. So let me zoom around here. You can see all of that curb that they were talking about here on the roadway coming up on this section of road into the front of the school building. And you can see that they've got it coming up into, this is the parking lot sections they were talking about that they're getting ready to put asphalt down on. So you can see they've got some layers down for that. And then this is the bus parking lot over here that they were working on putting the gravel in that was talked about in it. So a lot of exterior updates for this time you can kind of see. You can zoom in a little better. And then you can see here where they're starting to put in the bleachers on the back section of the football field here in this section to see that update also. And then there was the brick that's being put together with the masons here on this back corner, coming around to the front to start the construction piece of getting all that laid in the front section. But that's everything for this time. Any questions about anything you see on the map there or anything again you want to see better? Anything? Okay. And Tim and Curtis will do a better job next month.
You did pretty good there, Miss Kayla. You might